Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to use CapCut overlay feature for picture-in-picture. So guys, in order to start doing this and using this feature, I will show you the steps inside the app. So pretty much what does this mean, you're wondering? So this pretty much means that when you're selecting your video, you're just slapping another video right on top of it. That's pretty much what that means. So in order to start, just open up your first video. And after that, as you can see in this bottom toolbar here, right in the middle of effects and captions, you have the overlay button. Click on it. And now as you can see, just like I said, you can just choose another video, add it and slap it on top of this one, place it anywhere you wish, and have two videos playing in one. So just press add overlay. Okay, and I will choose, for example, this video here with this bird. So some videos cannot be imported because of the extensions of the video, but in general, just select another clip, move it, get it into the timeline as well, and slap it on top of the original video. That is it, guys. Pretty simply done. Enjoy, and see you soon.